Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Hello, we're gonna be having a look at the market for the week, for next week, and what's gonna be happening in all the currencies for the week, right? For today, okay. But most importantly, today the market, the trading time section will end today, Friday. So what we're gonna be looking at is basically what's going to be happening, what's going to happen next week. Okay, so let's just take a proper close look at this and you know, you know, decide and know what to do next week. Okay, it's very important to do this. Now we're having Euro AUD. Okay, that's the first on an hour time frame. You can see right here what's happening right here. See what's happening right now. Let me check what's going to happen on in a daily time frame. What's going to happen? Okay, can you see what's going to happen at daily time frame? As far as this is concerned, this trade is concerned, when you take a proper closer look at it, you discover from here, like you can see at this point right now, there's a movement, like up and down, and you can actually, this trade is a trade that's actually not very decisive on the daily time frame right now, but you can actually tell, when you draw a line from here, and when you see this, when you draw this line from here, you can tell what might happen at this point. You can see what happens here. You can tell at this point what's going to happen. Okay, so there's a possibility at 1.6109. Now you can see what's happening right here. So such trades are, they're like, the kind of trades that you can actually go into because of the volatility, and there's no direction for daily time frame on those currencies because it's not stable. So let me check an hourly time frame. You can actually work with your using the what's called the what's called again, our strategy we have. That's the Spiller strategy. You can actually use that, using our what's it called again, what we have. So now let's go to another currency right here. Let's check out, um, let's see what happens. Let's check out USD CHF. You see what happens to USD CHF right now. Okay, this is an hourly time frame. USD CHF. There's a daily time frame rather. So let's check an hour time frame. The USD CHF currency. You can see what happens. It's pretty scattered in hourly time frame. So let's see our daily time frame, which is, I think, is better because you give you a proper view of the market, what happens today. Okay, you can see at this point I drew this the last time it was called a video a while ago now, expose like this. I drew this two lines here, support and the resistance line. I told you when it hits here, it's going to be coming down here. For the past couple of days, USD CHF has been selling. Okay, it hits the support line, started coming down. I get what I'm trying to say now. You see what's happening? Started coming down. I showed you this, on the last time I had a video with you guys. You can see, I told you, I showed you that, and look at what's happening. For the past how many days right now? The past couple of days it's been coming down. I told you it hit here, up here it's going to come down, and now you're expecting USD CHF to come down to this point. Okay, when you're doing trades like this, it's better you use because each candle represents a day. Okay, it's better use a lower lot size for you to be able to cope with this. Okay, its destination is heading down here before the week runs out. Yeah, that's where it's going. That's where it's heading down. It's going to head down here. So USD CHF is going to be selling throughout the week. Absolutely, yes. Usually lower lot. There's a possibility for there to be, volatility, but it's going to be coming down. So let's go to another currency here. We have the USD Swiss franc. You can see what's happening there. Okay, I drew a line the other time. Hit it. It's coming down here. So right now, at this point, there are two sections. What you would expect right in the two sections, because when it hits here, at this point, it will bounce back and going up, right? That's how you're expecting to buy, okay, at this point. Or if it breaks it, if it breaks here, this line here, if it breaks it, if it breaks this line here, you see what I'm talking about? You're expecting to come down here, to head down here. So that's what you should expect. It's gonna head down here. Here's what I'm talking about. So you expect it to head down here. So it's gonna come down here, once it breaks this line. Okay. So that's what the daily time connection is going to be coming down here. If it has hit it already, but if it breaks it, you expect it to come down here. It's going to run down here. Okay, and remember, each can represent a day on this chart. Each currency represents a day on this chart. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Are you following my analysis? Okay, if it hits here, okay, I'm expecting to come hit here. It has already hit it, but if it breaks it, it's going to sell down here. It's going to come down here. Let's just take cognizance of that. Let's go to another currency here. You don't use JPY. Okay, let's see FXC. Okay, okay, let's see gold now. Gold, beautiful. Now gold is what we're going to be dealing with. We're going to be dealing with gold for the next 3 months. Okay, because I think this is one of the best currencies you can ever imagine. For the next 3 months, we're going to be taking serious cognizance of gold. I'm going to take cognizance of gold currency, because it's beautiful for the next couple of months. Okay, gold is just beautiful. So what we're going to do, let's see what happens for today. For today runs out. We're actually on the hour time frame right now, trading gold. And let's see what happens in the daily time frame. It's going to happen. It's going to happen in the daytime frame. Okay, gold has been heading upward for a while now. So the US dollars has been pretty weak. So gold, we've been buying the US dollars, and it's been moving upward. You can see an upward trend. Okay, you can see an upward trend in gold. I'm talking about the daily time for the past couple of weeks. It's been going up. Are you getting that? It's been going up. So we're expecting gold to still move up. It's still gonna be moving up because of the dollar. The dollar is getting weak. Okay, we're expecting gold to move up. It's still gonna be moving up. It's gonna be moving up on the daily time. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. It's gonna be moving up. Look at this point. Look at what happens here. Look at this line here. Let me draw a line so you can get what I'm talking about. Okay, let me draw this line in here. You see this? You see this line here? You see, it hits right here, and it's going to go upwards. So you're expecting it to, from those points, you're expecting gold to come to this point. When it hits here, when it comes to this point, okay, this point, come to this point, when it hits here, we're expecting to come down to this point. So we're going to start selling at this point. Okay, so we're expecting gold is still going to go up. It's going to move down to this point. That's what we expect. So we're going to take a proper look at gold this week. We check the 45 minutes time frame. See what happens to it. Okay. See what I'm talking about? It's going to be buying. It's going to be buying. It's going to be buying. Really, really buying. But gold is very volatile, dear people, and it's one of the best currencies you can ever imagine. One of the best currencies you can ever imagine. I mean, what I do, we actually relate gold. I relate gold with the United States dollars. You know, it's very beautiful currency to buy. I must tell you that. See, when you're trading this currency, take cognizance of the United States dollars, and also take cognizance of gold itself. You know, but it's always very good for you to have. Don't stay too long on this trade. Okay, when trading gold, it's always very important to set your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, you should have a destination when you're trading gold. Gold is one of the most volatile currencies we have in the market. But I tell you, it goes when it wants to go a particular direction, it goes that direction. Okay, gold is really, really beautiful. It can be frustrating at times, but to be frank with you, it's one of the best coins you can ever imagine. You want to make millions and thousands of dollars before the year runs out. I advise you to stick on gold. The gold spots, gold trust. It's very interesting and beautiful, I tell you that. I must tell you. I showed it before. It was heading upward. It was actually heading for the past couple of days, 45 minutes. It's been heading. It's been going upward. Like it's been going upward. You know, but this 45 minutes time frame, think of what's happening. It's going here. It's still heading. It's going to be going up. It's heading upward. But because of volatility, I'm actually going to be telling you when to buy and when to sell because I'm taking cognizance of this currency over the next 3 months. I'm going to make a lot of money on this currency because we have lots of what's called, ups and downs, all the currencies you've been buying and selling, and I figured out gold would be the best. Okay, I want you to watch this video and share it, with your friends on Facebook, and on um, on Instagram or something. Just share, let the people understand. Let them come and hear, come and learn from the gold master himself. Okay, well, I'm going to be breaking down the fundamentals of trading the gold currency. It's always very important for you to study one currency and stick to it. Study other currencies. And I tell you, gold is one of my best currencies. So I want you guys to actually go with me on this, okay? Trust me on this and let's move, let's make some money. Let's make some money on this. Let's make some money in gold. And gold is just really beautiful. So that's what we're gonna be doing now. Okay. Now the reason why we're selling now is because of this point. Look at this. Look at what the reason why we're selling now. Because at this point, it's pretty very very. It's not I wouldn't use the word complicated, but it's something. It's a currency we take cognizance of. We learn. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's see. There's a line in there. Until check the time frame again. Is it 2 hours and 1 hour time frame? Yeah, sure, sure. Look at this. Look at this. Now one time frame. See, it is hit this line here. Okay. From here. The reason why we're selling is because of this. And it's hit it. Okay. Hit it. Came down. Broke it. It's coming down. Hit it again. It's gonna be coming down. This point is a very very sensitive point. Okay. But we don't normally have to trade at this point. But that's what we're selling. Okay. And after today's selling, then we can stop, stop at trading till when the market resumes on Sunday morning. Okay. So I want you to watch this over and over again and understand all the check some other currencies we have besides gold. Okay. This gold spot. Yes, we've analyzed this already. And we have the okay. Let's see 60 times 60 minutes, that's 1 hour. Gold. I told you gold is heading up here. It's gonna be moving up here. Okay. But right now I'm selling it, okay, because of this particular hedge. This hedge. When it hits the hedge, we're expecting to come down. You understand? Absolutely. So let's see 1 hour. Amazing. Okay. That's it already. Okay. Okay. So we come to the end of this wonderful expose on gold and all the currencies. Okay, come to the end of it. But remember, gold can be buying throughout the week.